How to apply for Lloyds Bank credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can apply for Lloyds Bank credit card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to lloydsbank.com. Now you want to log into your account. For that, tap on the log on option and tap on the personal option. Now you want to enter your user ID over here. After that, enter your password. Now tap on the continue option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the menu icon and from there select the credit card option. Now you can apply for a Lloyds Bank credit card if you are a UK resident aged 18 or over with a regular annual income. You also cannot be unemployed or a student. You also should not have been declined for a Lloyds Bank credit card within the last 30 days. So if you meet all of these criteria, you want to check your eligibility. For that, tap on the Check Now option over here. Now you will have to fill up this simple form to check your eligibility. Go ahead and enter your name, your date of birth, your gender, marital status, whether you are a British citizen or not, and tap on the Continue option. Once you have submitted the form, you will get your result in 5 minutes, and if you are eligible, then you can simply select a credit card based on your eligibility result. This credit card should align with your financial need, whether it is balance transfer, large purchase, or everyday spending. Once you have selected your preferred credit card, you simply want to complete the application. You will have to provide your personal details, financial details, and employment information. Once you tap on the submit button, you will have to wait for some days. If approved, Lloyds Bank will send you a credit card by post, usually within 5 to 7 business days. You might need to activate the card before use, which can be done online via app or by phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.